Welcome. I am Professor Meg Downey with Bellevue College. Today, we are going to learn what corporate social responsibility means for your next event. In theory, we want our events to be more sustainable, economically, environmentally, socially, and ethically. Clients, as well as conference attendees, are asking event suppliers to document and demonstrate the environmental and social sustainability of their programs, policies, and their actions. But how can we put this into place? Several factors make sustainability directly relevant to your event. These are some steps that you might want to consider. You're going to want to ask infrastructure questions when selecting your destination. Is there public transportation from the airport to the hotel? You may want to consider an offset to air travel. Try and eliminate shuttles as much as possible and request low sulfur fuels and hybrid vehicles. Insert environmental performance measures directly into the contract, such as recycling, renewable energy, and water efficiency programs. Use technology as much as possible. Provide the conference guide, exhibitor kits, handouts. Provide all of these online. And better yet, use the conference app. And when paper is needed, make sure that you're using recycled paper and that you can print it on both sides. Request that exhibitors reduce or eliminate paper brochures on site and have sustainable giveaways. Confirm that the conference suppliers offer fair labor practices to their employees. And be sure that the contracts include diversity and inclusion as part of their language for all the vendors. COVID protocols have placed certain restrictions on some event planning for CSR. While you want to meet your CSR goals, you need to follow the city, state, and/or federal guidelines. It really is essential to set up specific measurements that will help you determine how successful you have been. Measurement is often seen as the most difficult step, but it is also critical. So in order to sort of meet this challenge, start small. Performance measurements may include the following: dollars saved by reducing shipping, eliminating bottled water, and printing less materials. The percentage of waste generated that was indeed recycled. The percentage of food that was sourced within 100 miles of the event or some other measurement for the food. The number of exhibitors used, how they used online kits, or how they recycled materials. The number of local vendors that were contracted for your event, and the percentage of carbon emissions that potentially were offset. Now that you have some ideas on how you can offer a CSR-friendly event, I challenge you to implement and measure some of these CSR goals at your next event.